Insects that crawl and bugs that fly, exploring nature low and high. Armyworm, creeping with speed. Feeding on crops, they take the lead. Cutworm beneath the soil, gnawing on roots as they toil. Mealworm, wriggling around. In dark, damp places they are found. Flower beetle, tiny and quick, crawling on grains with legs that tick. Zebra butterfly, wings so bright, flitting through flowers, a colorful sight. Atlas moth, large and grand, spreading your wings across the land. Boll weevil, on cotton you feast, causing destruction to say the least. Spider mite, spinning your web, sucking the life from plants so ebb. Polyphemus moth, quiet and slow, flying at night with a gentle glow. White fly, wings so light, flitting and buzzing in the warm daylight. Creep and crawl or take to the air, insects are moving everywhere. With legs or wings they roam and play, nature's bugs brighten our day. Cabbage moth, flying so free, laying eggs on plants for all to see. Tussock moth with furry white, crawling on branches under the night. Bagworm in your cozy sack, hanging on trees with no looking back. Gypsy moth, caterpillars crawl, feeding on leaves they take it all. Dope moth, hidden from sight, flying at dusk in the soft twilight. Bedbugs, hiding so tight, in dark corners out of sight. Longhorn beetle, on wood you feast, boring tunnels never to cease. Book clouds, so small and neat, living in pages where papers meet. Sweat bee, buzzing around, collecting nectar from flowers found. Creep and crawl or take to the air, insects are moving everywhere. With legs or wings they roam and play, nature's bugs brighten our day. Birds with wings and legs so small, they fill the world, one and all.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.